Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Good evening. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Voice is clear.
Okay, good. Okay, have you practiced to draw computational level?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any doors?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you place your trades at computational level? Did you try to practice to trade? Yes, have anyone tried to trade on that computational levels?
I tried one or two on the trend level. I did try.
Okay,
One was a loss, but then afterwards I realized once it came back, it kept touching that level. So I had some 2-3 wins.
okay.
It does respect that level, trend level.
Okay, no problem. Sometimes you may lose. It's very common. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yes.
I think I was having in one of the cases I was having a challenge in the future market to get the complete scenario. Like in this condition now, this future market, I think I was having a challenge because I was not seeing a complete scenario. In such cases, what should I do?
And change the pair. It's not an anything. It's not
Okay.
an issue. Okay. You can change the pair like this. Now it's very easy, right?
Okay, sir.
We have so many pairs here, right?
Yes,
There are
there's
so
so
many
many,
pairs.
sir.
You don't need to worry.
Okay.
If you don't have any opportunity in any pair, then wait at least for 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's not important. It's not emergency to trade, right?
No, it's not.
That's it.
Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we are drawing an computational level like horizontal with like an area, right?
Yes.
So if we get a doji candlestick like this, sir, what will be the next candle, sir? Can we predict?
Don't trade. Leave it. Okay.
And if it is like this, sir?
Just a minute. Okay. So here. So it's a bullish candle close at the computational level. So on the next candle, you can place your trade a lower option trade.
Okay.
So you can place a lower option trade, but place with margin of safety. Even it's a doji candlestick, you will win your trade. Once if you win your trade, then don't trade. Okay, leave it. Wait for the breakout. Then after this, wait for the breakout. After breakout, so after breakout, if the next candle closes like this, then place a higher option trade with margin of safety. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And even after doji 2, you can place a lower option trade. It's not an issue, but sometimes you may lose.
And if the doji is above here, sir, suppose in an uptrend.
Whatever it is, if the market closes, okay, like this,
Yes, sir.
like this, you can place a higher option. Stop. So
Okay.
there is a doji means the buyers are not interested. That is the meaning here.
Okay.
So it may continue to sometimes you may lose.
Okay, sir. And if this is a resistance level in that case, sir?
If this is a resistance level, the market will try.
Okay,
Because
sir.
it closed above the level.
Okay, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
So can you try to draw computational level chart? Yes, anyone? Draw completely.
Missed that line a little bit. I had to. Okay, draw one by one. Okay, last. Adarsh. Yes. Try to draw complete level. Right. Okay, very good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, nice. So here,
Hello, sir.
just draw a level like this. Don't draw with huge step like this. Yes, ask me.
Sir,
Yes,
I have a doubt, sir.
yes, ask me.
One of the lines that can we draw like this?
Yeah, can you draw again?
The last line here that was drawn, sir.
Okay,
Can
draw
we get
again.
it back?
Just draw again.
Okay. Somebody drew this line. I'm coming, sir. Somebody drew from here to here. Is it right?
No, it's not right.
Okay.
So you can draw this layer like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, so this is the level. So here also is a level. Or
Yes.
can draw a level like this. No, it's the level actually. So it is the level. So here it didn't work. Can anyone tell me the reason?
Momentum.
No.
Then the candle also closed. I think there's a gap. So
Yes.
the market wants to fill it.
So a momentum and a buying pressure in this candle. And there is a momentum on the left side too. Okay. So at this type of situation, it's a 50-50 chance of this. So you can't expect sellers, you can't expect buyers because sometimes it will be a bearish candle, sometimes it will close as a bullish candle too. So a 50-50 chance is better to avoid. Okay. And so can I try to draw computation over here?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. You said something about looking for the wicks in the trend. I mean the continuous big wicks, sir. In uptrend and both downtrend.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ask me about.
Sir, what you said about this, why they're important, that is why I'm asking.
To know the reversal in the market, we see strong rejections from sellers again and again. It means the market wants to reverse.
Can you show me some example here, sir?
So here you are seeing rejections. Here also you are seeing rejections, continuous rejections. And here you are seeing lower rejections. Here there are continuous rejections. Here as well you are seeing rejections. Here as well you are seeing lower rejection continuously. So here as well you are seeing upper rejection.
Sir, with the lower rejection, market will go up.
Yes, with lower rejection market will go up. So it will give you a situation like this. So the market is moving like this. Before going to reverse, the market will give you lower rejections continuously. It means the market wants to reverse like this.
Okay, okay, okay.
If you see upper rejections, the market wants to take some retracement candlesticks.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this chart, can you try to draw computation on the chart? Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. So here as well there is a limit. Okay. So here, if you want to draw, you can draw a level. You can't draw a level. So from this point to this point, or from this point to this point, draw a level like this. So we will try to draw complete decimal level near to this price bar. So it is a price bar, the past level. This is the past level. So where is the complete decimal level near to this price? Is there any computational level near to this price bar? Okay. Okay, there is a computational level. I'll try to draw. So it is a computational level near to this price bar. So it is working also. So here we have opportunity. So here also there are reversals. So the trend is in downtrend. The trend is in downtrend. Once the market reverses, there is a level here, and there is a complete external level here as well. So when market comes to this point, like this, if the market closes below this line, or in between these two lines, you can expect sellers. Already we know the market movement, so the next direction is downtrend. So if the market closes at this point, you can expect it down. So it's a one-day chart. If you want to trade in forex, from this point you can expect down. If the candle closes at the level, if the candle break the level, you need to check another computation.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if the candle is just a minute. If the candle is closing like this, so is there any chance that another candle will form like this, sir?
Yes, there is a chance. That's why I told you, place above this point. Place your trade above this point.
Got it.
Okay. So I will show you another chart. So it's a one big chart. So it is a price bar near to this price bar. Can you try to draw a computation under here? Okay, very good. So there is a computation under there. Okay, I will draw here. So we have two computation under there. The level is here. the other level is, so the other level is, so we have two competition level, one is horizontal line, other one is straight. So we have an opportunity here. At this point already we are seeing fiction. One day we will get this rejection. So already there is a rejection. So if the candle closes at the level or in between these two lines, you can expect buyer's entry when market closes at the level like this. Wait for the market to come down to this level, then enter from this point. Because there is a momentum. I already told you momentum may break any level. So if the candle closes like this at this point, you can't enter here directly. Wait for the market to come to this level. From this point, you can expect buyer's entry. Got it now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will help you to trade on forex. So I will show you another chart. And here you can enter from this point, but here you need to check some patterns when you are trying to trade on forex. You need to check some patterns for confirmation for the reversal. So I will try to explain the conversation about forex patterns too. So this is on the chart. So it's a 4 hour chart. There is a price bar. We have any level here. So we have level here. So it is a level. The complete SNR level, the market is respecting this level. So here as well, the market is respecting. The market is coming to this level. If the candle closes at the level, so already we are seeing there is a level. If this candle closes like this, you can take that candle as a breakout candle. It means you can expect buyer's entry. So it's a breakout means for buyers to try to enter, and it is a computational evidence. From this point we can expect a buyer's entry. So we can go with buyers from this point. If we're going to enter with buyers, we can check some patterns. If you take any forex pattern for additional confirmation, then it will be good. So this is 1 hour chart. So today I'm going to explain. I will show you some trades, how these computers is respecting, how the market is respecting the computation. So here in this chart, I will show you how to draw the computation level in the hunting market and how the market will respect the levels. So I'll show you here. So here, can I try to draw computation level? Yes. So we have drawn this red line. Please tell me.
Me only, sir.
Hey, how did you draw this level like this? It is the level.
Resistant here.
After breakout, it didn't turn into resistance. Again, it broke this level. Again, it broke. Finally, it turned into resistance. Right? It's not a valid level, right?
Okay.
Okay. There is a level. There is a level. There is a level with trend line and with the horizontal line. There is no computation of it. I think there is no computation.
No, no horizontal.
No. No level. Okay. No problem. Okay. In which chart? Is there any computation of level?
Yes, I can see one.
Yes, go ahead. Okay, very good. Okay, it's a computation of level. The market is respected. Now the market is at the computation of level. Okay, this is also level. In the future, you can expect reversal. And from the same point, there is a level 2. This is also a confirmation. So there is a level. So here as well, okay, here as well there is a level. Here as well there is a level. And here also there is a level. So this is a level. It didn't work here. After backward it reversed. And again it got support from this and means it is a level. So we have 2 levels here. So here I will draw 2 levels. So this is the level. And this is also computational level, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trend line.
Yes, sir.
But
It
here
is.
it didn't work because there is a moment on the left side and we are seeing strong buying pressure. That's why it didn't work, but you don't need to worry. So now the candle closed at the computational level. Now the candle closed at the computational level. Can we expect buyers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is
Yes.
looking like a double top pattern and a very strong candle. People may try to place a lower option, but don't place like this. Okay. It tried so many times to make a bearish candle, but at the last second, it closed as a bullish candle. Got it now? So
Yes.
we don't need to see sellers and we don't need to worry about sellers. But finally, it will close as a bullish candle, mostly. Because it's a complete level. So it is a evening stock pattern. People will try to place their option, but it's not. If there is any evening stock pattern in the market will try to make a retracement candlestick like this. You can see there is a evening stock pattern, but we are seeing bullish candle instead of bearish candle. Because market will try to make a retracement candle. Here as well we are seeing a evening stock pattern, but again we are seeing buyers entry only. Because market will try to make a retracement. Always, if there is any pattern, instead of place a lower option, try to place a higher option. You may win your trade, mostly. So whenever if you see a pattern like this, try to place a higher option only, don't place a lower option. Whenever if you see a pattern like this, try to place a lower option. Because the market will try to make a retracement, then it may go up. or it may go down. It may make another retracement. Okay. So it depends upon the trend. If the trend is a downtrend, which we will explain this logic. So you have to remember this all logics, because if you miss these logics, then a loss will come. So it is a monitor pattern. So here, if it is a level, extreme level, if the market makes this level from the extreme level, or if this is a support level like this, if the market movement is like this, if you see a monster pattern like this, so market will try to make a retracement, then it will go up like this. So after this pattern, you can place a lower option trade, then you can expect a price center at this type of situation only. But if the trend is a downtrend, there are mute your mic. So at this type of situation, still you can expect retracement candlestick, because you are seeing a pattern in the momentum. Still you can expect a retracement candlestick, but after this retracement, still the market will get it. It means it's not a retracement for the. This is a retracement candlestick for the top. So this pattern will try to continue the down. So the market will go down like this. If you get any bearish candlestick, again try to close it out after this pattern. So this pattern will not work in the downtrend in the strong momentum. It is a sign of continuation of the trend. So we have to remember these two situations. This situation and this situation, both are not same. They are different. So you need to observe these two situations every time. It depends upon the situation. So here it reversed because of computational level, and there is another logic is there is a universal pattern. So market will try to make a retracement. It means the market will try to make a bullish line instead of bearish line. So you need to observe this point. So I will try to show you. Okay. So this is a level. It is a computational level. So this is also computational level. So it is a computational level. It is a computational level, and this one also a computational level. From this point to this point is a computational level, and here as well, still it is working. Now the market is at the level. Now tell me.
No, sir.
Tunnel will enter. No opportunity.
Bearish kind of, sir.
Retracement line.
So it's a computational level actually. So it is a computational level. Now the market closed at the computational level. Yes. Then can we expect buyers or sellers?
Sellers.
Sellers, sir.
Sellers only, right?
Yes, sir.
And the same logic again. So we are seeing the same logic, right? One star pattern. Here also there is the same logic monster pattern. What happened after this monster pattern?
Retracement.
Seller center.
Retracement.
Seller center, right?
Yes.
Here as well, buyer center. Here, buyer center. Now,
Sellers will enter.
Seller, sir.
Sellers will
Retracement
enter.
candle.
Yes, retracement sellers will enter. And we have another reason is this is a complete level. It's a complete level. So according to the computational level, it will be a bearish candle. So we can place the option directly. So it closed as a bearish candle, right? Now can you get the point of how it is working?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So here, wait. So it closed. Okay. Again, we already know this is also a level. Right? This is also a level. Complete level, right? Just tell me,
Yes, sir.
Yes, complete level, sir.
this is also a level, except here it is working continuously. So this candle closed exactly at level. Can we expect buyers?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the additional confirmation is the trend is uptrend. The trend is uptrend. And it's a monster pattern in uptrend. There is a retracement. So buyers may
Candles look like hammer, sir.
yes,
Candles look like hammer at level.
yes. Yes. We entered here buyers or sellers.
Buyer.
So
Buyers, sir.
buyers will enter. Don't confuse. It's a strong candle, but buyers enter because it's a level. So because of engulfing candle, you may place area lower option, but it's strong. Don't see engulfing candle. And this is also with compared to previous candle. So doji again is strong, again buyers because it's a level. So it is a strong candle with compared to previous candle. It's a very strong candle. It is looking like the market wants to go, but sellers enter because it's a level. Okay, and it is a level. It is looking like the market may make another candle, but it's a level. It made a bullish candle. Now get the point. How it is working? Yes, everyone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it is a level. So this is the another trade. So this is the fourth trade. The same pair at the same time. So 1728 here 1712. So it's a fourth trade. It is a level. The same pair. It is a level. So this is the level we are talking. This is the level. After this level, here the market made another level. So this candle closed at the level at where area had. And this is also looking like a unit structure. And this is also looking like a unit structure. We'll see this situation. Right? There is a unit structure pattern. It is looking like it is going down. But buyers entered it. So it is looking like it is going down because it's a very strong trend, but buyers entered. So you have to observe this point. It is looking like the market wants to go down, but the market will reverse suddenly because of the market logic, because of the levels. So you have to observe the levels every time. Don't see the strongness of the candle. Don't see the strong trend. Just observe the levels. starts being the strong. So this is another level. So okay, just now I explained this way. This one also I have explained. So this is my fifth trade. It is a complete level, but it didn't work here. You know the reason, right? We already know that. So this is another trade in another chart. So when I got loss in trade here, I changed the pair. I changed the pair to AUD CAD. So it's a level. So it is a complete small level. Here as well, it is working. This candle closed at the level. So it is a complete level, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
Sorry,
So,
hello.
yes.
Why is this also closed at that level, right? When it retraced, it closed. This broke the level, but then it retraced and closed the level. Should it not go down then?
After this candle,
Yes.
maybe because it's a strong level, strong buyers area, and because of this market movement, the market made another candle. So don't
But
worry
if you're
about this.
looking at, let's say there is nothing beyond this.
Yes,
We are
this,
trading.
here also you can place a lower option trade. It's not an issue.
Mhm.
It's not an issue. Okay. So this is a level, right? So here you can place a higher option trade. 1 million trade. And here you can place a higher option. 2, here, 3, here, 4. Except here. Out of 4, you got only one last trade. You don't need to worry about this, right?
Okay. Mhm.
It's not an issue. Because out of 4, only one. You don't need to think about it. Okay. So here as well you can place a lot of it's not an issue.
Sir, can we take
Yes. Mhm.
sir, can we take this one as completion as sir?
Yes, this also competition market.
Yes, sir.
Yes. No, this is not a competition market.
Okay, sir.
So here, just a minute. The market is following one logic from this buyer's zone. So from this buyer's zone, the market is following one logic. So whenever the market comes to this point, the market is making at least 2 bullish candles. Here and here and here as well, you are seeing the same logic. Right? Every time from this point, we are seeing at least 2 bullish candles. When market make a bullish candle, we are seeing another bullish candle. Maybe that was the reason. Okay. What is?
Okay.
So we have to observe the logics also. But try to place a layer option only here.
So before we go,
Yes.
so this again, this particular, these 3 candles again form a pattern, right?
Yes.
The next one, should it not be a reversal or?
No, it's not a shoot trade. We can expect a retracement mostly. So I will show you some examples in this chart just a minute.
Okay.
So here there is a pattern, right?
Yes.
Okay, and here there is a pattern.
Yes.
And here there is a pattern. And here there is a pattern. And here there is a pattern. So we have some patterns here. So it worked. It didn't work. It worked. It worked. It didn't work. Okay. Because so it is a level. We are seeing continuous momentum. Okay. That's why the market made another bullish. So if you see a continuous momentum every time like this, you can't expect sellers, buyers entry. Here as well, you can't expect buyers entry. Okay. If you see a continuous momentum, the market may break the last. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe because of the market movement. So here we can expect a retracement candlestick. Okay. So this is, we can expect a retracement, and if there is any complete SMR level, that level, we can expect a seller's entry. That is the additional condition. Okay. You can't trade with one single pattern. I already told you, we can't trust these forex patterns by options. Okay. So it's not a blind strategy. Market may make a retracement candlestick. It's not a confirmed trade, means we can't expect here a price. Got it? So better to avoid to trade. Is it clear?
Okay.
So this one also a level. So also a level. Same chart. This chart, right? It is the level. This is the level. Computation. So it closed at the level. So except here, it worked most of the time. This one is also computation, right?
So even though at the SMR, even though we have a very strong bullish candle, if it hits the SMR, then it
A
always-
very strong bullish candle is a sign of reversal.
Okay.
A sudden buying, a sudden buyer's entry is a sign of reversal. Okay. So it's a computational level. It's a computational level. It closed at the level. So you can expect a seller's entry. If you don't think, if you think the buyers may try to enter, they can't make another strong candle because already they made a strong candle. So here, if you place with margins of it, will be good. Even if the market makes any weak candle like this, you will win your trade, right? If you place with margins of it.
Yes. Yes.
So from this point to this point, I placed fixed amount trades here, and here I placed only $30 trade. Again, I started compounding from this. So this is first trade, same logic. So this is I placed this trade not because of complete level, I just did this trade. So I expected here. It's a complete level. It is a complete level. It is looking like a initial pattern. Okay. So we have two possibilities. The first possibility is the initial pattern. You can expect retracement and it closed at the level. So we have two possibilities. So it's a level. And this one. This is also level, right? And this point,
Yes, sir.
you can take like this too. You can take like this too. Okay, here as well we have opportunity. Here as well we have opportunity. So it closed at the level. This is also looking like a monster. You can expect retracement. One possibility. The second possibility is a complete level. It is also a retracement. Looking like a initial pattern. But here it will work, here it will work. So we need to take additional confirmations of this. So it is a level. It is a competition. It closed at the level, and it is a monster pattern. So let's try to.
No, sir, I want that, sir.
Yes, ask me.
Okay, sir. Can we take like this?
Yes, you can take this also level. I forgot to draw actually.
Okay.
It's a level. So you can expect a bias entry from this point. Yes, you can adjust. This time I have shown you this line, I think. This one, right?
Okay. Okay.
It already
Yes, sir.
completed. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have seen, sir.
So it's a level. Yes, husband.
When we're drawing these levels, how far must we go to check in the chart? Should we?
I didn't check anything. I just took these two levels, right?
Yes.
I have drawn from this point only. Right? I didn't draw this from past history.
Okay, so we don't have to make the charts very small. Go look at
If there is no level here, we need to check past history to draw the level. Here we have some levels to draw. Right? We no need to check any past history.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we draw complete SNR levels, so should we overlook the normal levels, or we should take account that one as well?
I didn't get you. You can ask me that.
Should we take into account the normal levels if we are drawing the complete
What do
SNR
you mean
levels?
by normal levels? I didn't get you. What do you mean by normal levels?
Means the support levels and the resistance levels, sir.
Those are different. So it's a level. If you take this level, it is the additional confirmation to place your trade confidently. Right?
Okay, sir.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
So it is with the help of this complete level, you can place here a lower option. But if you check this another level, you can place your trade with confidence, right?
Yes,
You can
sir.
place confidently because more possibility to make a de-risk here. So this is fifth compound. Still, I placed a lower option trade from the same point. It is working. Right? It is working. So we can use this level in the future too. You can't draw like this because it is a support level and this is also a support level. If you want to draw, you can draw a level like this. Okay? You can draw a level. So we are just discussing about complete SNR. Okay? So 5 components. Again, I started. So I have withdrawn 180 USD. Again, I started with all of them. So I started with remaining amount 4.86. So it is a complete SNR level. It is a complete SNR level. This candle closed at the level, but I placed with marginal safety. I placed with marginal safety. Finally, the market broke this level. It means when market make any this candle closing above the level, you can expect a bias because it's the level. So this is my second compound. This PV candle closed at the level I placed here a head. The same level. So this is my third compound again. Already I have completed 5 components. So we can't trade like this actually. It's not easy. Because of luck, we will get continuous winning trades, but we will get at least 1 or 2 losing trades when we are trying. Because luck only we will get continuous winning trades. Don't try to place continuous compound trades like this. Just I want to trade to show you how the market is reacting to the levels. So this is a level, still it closed at the level. So this candle didn't close at the level, but I placed a head option trade because of my guessing. But here it closed at the level, still it is working. So this is my fourth compound again with $4. You can see here, after it closed at the level, it is a complete SNR. So we have already discussed about this line earlier that we will have opportunity here. So there is a level here There is a level here. It closed at the level. Now can you get it? Can you get the point? How it is working?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's not possible to continue winning trades, right? Without any strategy. So, but if you guess, if you draw the levels perfectly, and if you take additional confirmations like this, I took additional confirmation here. There is a level on the left side, a resistance level. So I took this level as a confirmation. I took this level as a confirmation. I took this rejection as a confirmation, and I took this big candle with this as a confirmation. There are more reasons here to place, but it's a very late ending because of fast momentum. So again, I have withdrawn the 0.5 USD. Again, I tried with remaining 6 USD. So again, I tried. It is a level. Okay, show you. This is a level. A support became resistance after breakup. It's a breakup. So it is working continuously. This candle closed at the level I placed a high action trade. Again, this is a complete action level. Right? So it is a level. This is a level. The resistance became support. It didn't work here because already I have told you this logic. The logic is this inverted hammer candle closed at the level. So it is working here and here and here as well. It is working. It closed at the level. It's not a momentum because there is a bullish candle means the momentum became big. There is a momentum here, but the momentum became big here. That means you can expect a bear. You can see this candle closed at the level again. So I placed again another trade with 2025. Okay, so I will show you again. See, already we know this is a level. Finally, this candle broke this level. This candle closed at the level. I placed a level option, but it's a doji candle. But because of my independent, I got it. That's why I'm telling you always place with margin of safety at any level. Because of doji candle, because of weak candle, you may win your trade. So again, I placed lower option after doji candle. Because already we know the trend is a downtrend. The trend is a downtrend. So the trend should reach this level at least. Because the market is moving like this. So it's a computational level. There is a doji candle. The trend is a downtrend. We can expect down trend. So again, so this is my last trade. Why I placed a option trade? Can anyone tell me?
Complete SNRO and evening star pattern. Retracement candle.
Evening star pattern, sir, at the strongest
Strong
level.
candle sign of close.
Okay, so here there is a type of evening star pattern. Here as well, there is a type of evening star pattern. Here as well, there is a type of evening star pattern. And here as well. What is happening after these patterns?
Retracement always happen.
Every time, in the chart also, every time we are seeing the same pattern here. So retracement, 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 and retracement, retracement. Here as well retracement, here as well retracement, here as well retracement. It worked 100% of it. Right? Now can you get why we should not trust these patterns? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is very strong candle, but it reversed. Because there is a level, you need to observe this point. If you don't check any level, you may place here a lower option trade instead of higher option trade because of this strong candle. Because of this strong candle, you will think always market will make another bearish candle, but it's wrong. Got it? So I
Yes,
think
sir. Yes,
that
sir.
is total
Yes, sir.
mistake
Yes,
you
sir.
have done.
Myself, I do same mistake, sir.
Yes, everyone will do the same mistake, but if you know, you don't do this mistake again. Okay? So from
Okay,
this
sir.
part, you can see 4 trades, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 42 trades total. Okay? Only one loss. It's same logic, but if you observe, I didn't change the strategy. While I was trading, I didn't change the strategy.
Sorry.
I didn't change to the any strategy. I fixed this strategy. The strategy is computational open.
Hello.
Yes,
So this one is a momentum on the left. So why can't it be another momentum down again?
retracement because of this level.
Mhm.
It's a level. I already told you, if there is any momentum, it's a 50 chances here. It may break or it may reverse.
So when it reverses, normally it come to this level. I mean, it's just a momentum reversing back to the same
It may
level.
reverse. One minute.
Okay.
So it may go down to this level too. Because this candle, this bullish candle, where it closed at the complete level. If you observe.
Yes.
So
Okay.
what's the next candle here?
Yes.
Bearish one, right?
Bearish one. Yeah.
Got it?
So we
But
could
I
have placed, if you had placed this candle because it closed at the level, this green candle was at the level. So this could have been another signal.
another, but I stopped.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, it would be another level, another signal, but I stopped.
Okay.
Because it's not possible to get continuous in interest.
Okay.
Just I tried to show you how it is working. That's why I took these trades. That's why I didn't place continuous compounding. I did 5 compounding first. I did 4 extra amount trades, again 5 compounding, again 4 compounding, again 5. With small amount, even if I lost, it's not an issue. $4 or $5, right? That's why I did compounding. It's small amount. But I not recommend you to do like this. Just I am showing you how the complete SNR level is react, how the market is reacting to the complete SNR. Mostly it will work. Sometimes if you lost, don't worry, because you will have another opportunity. You will have another opportunity to recover your loss. Here there is another reason, right? To reverse. So it's a complete line, and this is also a complete line. You can expect buyers, right? Got it?
Yes.
Is it clear now? Everyone?
Yes. 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 Thank you.
You have to practice. That is the main thing. So so there are some other signals too, but I didn't take all signals because when I got confidence, then only I took these trades. When I don't get any confidence, when I don't get confidence, I don't trade. So you also do this. You should also do the same. Place only if you are confident. So you take at least 1 or 2 additional confirmation. Always remember this pattern. You people may confuse with this pattern. Don't confuse. If you see forex pattern in market, then always remember if there is any engulfing candle, say engulfing candle, this is also engulfing candle, this is also engulfing candle, this is also engulfing, this is engulfing. So if you observe after these engulfing candles, what is happening after this engulfing? Here,
80% retracement.
these two failed, but here, here, and here. Okay? 5, 6 times the market made retracement. Only 2 times it didn't make any retracement. So better to place a higher option trade after engulf, right? Got it? After previous better to place higher option on it. Because if you place higher option, you will get 6 winning trades. If you place lower option, you will get 2 winning trades. What's the better chance to trade? Place against the pattern, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are forex patterns we can't trust. We can't apply these patterns in binary options. So these are forex patterns. We should apply these patterns only on forex. Okay.
Okay.
So you try to practice to draw demo account and try to place your trades with the same logic and took at least up to 10 trades, not more than 10 trades, at least take 10 trades, only confident trades. And when you are trading and you're practicing, get any those, take screenshot and take screenshot your practicing trades too and send me. We will discuss tomorrow. This is the topic today. And tomorrow I will try to explain about supply zone and demand zone. Okay, do you have any doubts now?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
Very
sir.
clear, sir.
Very
very
clear.
clear.
Okay.
Thank you.
So always remember the market logic. The market will follow some logics. If you follow the same logic, you will win your trade. If you don't follow the market logic, you may get loss in trades. Sometimes you may win, but sometimes you may get loss in trades too. Okay, so try to practice on demo. Don't trade on real account until completion of this training session. Just try to practice on demo. Take some trades, at least 10 trades, and send me a screenshot. We'll discuss tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Good night, everyone.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night,
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Thank
Good
you.
night, sir.
Sir, could you please able to send this video today itself? I need to rewatch this once again.
No, I need to edit these all videos. I will send you after training. Okay, all videos.
Okay. Okay, please.
Okay, bye, everyone. Good night, everyone.
Okay, bye.
Good night, sir.
Okay.